Good morning, students. We do the very important topic, that is issue of debenture. Last time we studied the issue of debenture and we have seen the types of debenture and meaning of debenture. So in this situation, I have given three different situations and we will pass a 6 different entries. So what general entries would be made if 1,000 6% debenture of 100 each, where first issue at par, repayable at 100. That means issue at par, repayable also par. जितना है उतना ही दे दिया. So journal entry, bank account debit 1 lakh to 6% debenture amount 1 lakh. How we got 1 lakh? 1,000 debenture of rupees 100 each. So 1,000 into 100, 1 lakh. And we know bank is a which account? Real account. Real accounts are debit was comes in, credit was goes out. So bank account debit side and to 6% debenture account credits 1 lakh. So this is a very simple entry in case of issue of debenture, in case of issue at par and repayable also par. Let's see the second situation. Issue at discount 5 per debenture and repayable at par. जितना आया था उतना दे दिया, लेकिन जब जमा किया तो वी हैव गिवन 5 रुपीज़ डिस्काउंट. सो हम लोग का कितना डिबेंचर है 1,000 पर डिबेंचर कितना 5. सो 1,000 इंटू 5 कितना 5,000. 5,000 हमको क्या होगा लॉस. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 95,000 मिलेगा बिकॉज 5,000 यू हैव गिवन डिस्काउंट. सो डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर कितना 5,000 एंड दोनों का टोटल कितना 1 लाख टू 6% डिबेंचर. Simple narration is compulsory. You have to write down narration. Being issue of 1,000, 6% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 5 per debenture. So this is second entry in case of issue of discount and repayable at par. Third one, issue at premium 5%, repayable at par. So आते समय जाना ज़्यादा मिला, देते समय जितना आया था उतना ही दे दिया. So bank account 1,05,000. यहाँ पे 5,000 क्या इंक्लूड है 5,000 एज अ प्रीमियम विच यू कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. सो बैंक अकाउंट 1,05,000 टू 6% डिबेंचर 1 लाख इधर से ऐसा टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कितना आया 5,000. तो जो पैसा हम लोग जमा करते हैं एज अ प्रीमियम दैट शुड बी डिपॉजिट स्पेशल अकाउंट एंड दैट स्पेशल अकाउंट इज नोन एज सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट. सो नरेशन बीइंग इश्यू ऑफ 1,000 6% डिबेंचर ऑफ 100 each at a discount 5 per debenture. So this is a third situation. Now let's see the fourth situation. Issue at par 100 का था 100 में दे दिया. Repayable at premium 5% हम लोग ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं. आते समय ना ज़्यादा मिला ना कम मिला, लेकिन जाते समय 5,000 we pay more and that's a loss. And loss in which account? Nominal account. Nominal accounts are debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So bank account 1 lakh, nominal value 1,000 into 100. Loss on issue of debenture, we pay more. How much we pay more? 5 per debenture. कितना डिबेंचर अपने पास 1,000. एक के पीछे कितना पे किया 5. So 1,000 into 5 कितना हुआ 5,000. We pay more, so we got loss. So 6% debenture 1 lakh, nominal value. So premium on ROD, that is redemption of debenture. Narration, being issue of 1,000 6% debenture 100 each at a premium of 5 per debenture. So this is the fourth situation. Now next situation, issue at discount 5%. तो 5% आपको लॉस हुआ. रीपेबल एट प्रीमियम 5%. तो यहाँ पे भी 5% लॉस हुआ. सो 5 + 5 कितना हुआ 10,000 आपको लॉस हुआ. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 95,000 बिकॉज 5,000 आपको डिस्काउंट आपने डिस्काउंट दे दिया डिबेंचर होल्डर को. सो 5,000 मिलने वाला नहीं है. So that is called discount on issue of debenture 5,000. Loss on issue of debenture एक कौन सा है? We are paying more to the debenture holders 5%. So 5,000. 6% debenture nominal value 1 lakh. To premium on redemption of debenture कितना 5,000. So being issue of 1,000 6% debenture 100 each at a premium 5 per debenture and discount also 5. So both situation loss आते समय भी जाते समय भी. Last इश्यू एट प्रीमियम 5%. 5% में हम लोग दे दिया. रिपेबल 10% और देते समय कितना दिया 10%. आते समय 5% मिला, जाते समय 10% लॉस हुआ मीन्स प्रीमियम दिया. सो बैंक अकाउंट 1,05,000. 1,05,000 कैसे मिला? 1,000 इंटू 100 1 लाख. 5% प्रीमियम ऑन 1 लाख. सो 5% ऑन 1 लाख कितना मिलेगा? 5,000. सो दोनों को मिलाकर 1,05,000. लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर 10,000. वी पे मोर 10% ऑन 1 लाख. 10% ऑन 1 लाख कितना मिलेगा? 10,000. टू 6% डिबेंचर 1 लाख. टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कितना दिया? 5. दैट 5,000. एंड प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर 10,000. So total 1,15,000, 1,15,000. So this entry we have to pass in case of premium 5% आते समय and premium 10% जाते समय. Being issue of 1,000, 6% debenture of 100 is at a premium of 5 per debenture. So these all are very, very important journal entry. Try to write down this. And last is very important instruction. You don't have any other option for hard work. Hard work and hard work. So all the best for your exam.